Welcome to part 5, upload the files. We're going to upload our local project files to Python Anywhere. And the final file structure on Python Anywhere will look like this. So the main project folder will be called Corona. We'll have 4 Python files underneath it. We'll have 2 directories here, one called assets, one called data. Inside of assets will be the logo image and the style CSS. And the data will have the all data CSV and the summary CSV with the data for the dashboard. And then we will also have this population CSV file as well. Let's go ahead and see how this is done. Flip over to Python Anywhere and click over here on the upper right hand corner in the files section. So here are all the files that are already created for you and folders. What we want to do is go into this Corona directory. So that's the project directory. There will be a very simple Flask application over here that's been created in this dashboard.py. We're going to overwrite it. So just click on upload file. And what you'll need to do is make sure you can navigate to where the project files are. I'm already there, but you'll probably have to change the folder location to navigate to the correct area of your system. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload these. So we're going to overwrite dashboard.py. We're going to add models.py, prepare.py, and update.py. Now we have to create directories over here. And this is how you create directories on the directory side. We're going to create the data directory. And then we'll upload the 2 files into the data directory. So it automatically places you in there. So here's the data. Sorry, there's 3 files here. So there's all data, population, and summary. Okay, so you can see your location in the file system over here. We need to go back 1 level, back into Corona, and then we'll create the assets directory. Let's do that. It will drop you inside of it. Then we'll click upload a file. We need to go back over here to assets, add our image, and then also the CSS. Okay, so there we go. We have our file structure. You can't see it all at once right here, but here are our Python files. Then the directories, we have assets with the 2 files, 1 image, 1 CSS, and then our data in here. Okay, so that completes the uploading of our files from our local project folder to Python Anywhere.